Hello, it's Autumn here. And today, as you can see, the title is called Slimes and Squishies. Yeah, that's what I'm going to talk about today. But before I get straight into the topic, I want to tell you guys something. I actually published my first ebook. Yay! And if you really want to read it or buy it, anything you want, and it's okay if you don't. I will put the link in the description down below. Yay! But anyway, you guys can check it out in lulu.com. Okay, so when you're here, it's best to just type in the title, which is called Willow Hero. Yep, and you guys can search it up. Yeah, let's wait. And there's my book. Yay! And you guys can buy it, or you can review it, can give reviews, you can rate it, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. And you guys can buy it at the price £2.81. So yeah. So now let's talk about slimes and squishies. As everyone knows, they're really popular these days. Like, really popular. I'm sure everyone here has played slime before, right? Like those liquid, like they're not liquid, I think they're solid, right? I'm not sure. But like yeah, they're toys. You can like squeeze them, stretch them, like I don't know, throw them, I don't know. But they can get quite messy sometimes. And then it isn't fun. Like, when you sometimes play slime is like get stuck in your fingernails? That wouldn't be good. Yeah. So, nope. Then what about squishies? I don't know about that as well. Like, those, I don't know what they're called, stuffed animals? I don't think they're stuffed animals in a way. They are just squeezable, so they're like really squishy. They can even end up like this after playing. Oh my god. And they have this phrase called slow rising. Like, what the heck is that? After researching on the computer, I found out what that is. It's like when you press your squishy down, like they would rise, but really, really slow. And people think that they are actually satisfying. Like, just what? But let me remind you, people, they are actually, like, both of them are toxic. Like, a lot of kids still play them because, like, I don't know, they're fun. But don't worry, I won't stop you because it's totally none of my business. But if you do like squishies and slime reviews, I have a suggestion for you. You guys can totally subscribe to Ruby Films because she's awesome and her videos are really cool. What are you guys waiting for? Just click the subscribe button. Yay! See, she already posted a jelly cube slime review video. Yay! So you guys should probably check them out because they're just awesome. Yeah. And don't worry, I will put her channel link in the description down below. So yeah, guys, bye!